Hey YouTube and Rumble. Here's a drone I have. It's a Deerc drone. It's very cheap. It costs like $50 from Amazon to get this baby here. It's got the camera right up here. It's a quadcopter. You unfold it like this. Take these two rear arms, unfold them, and take these two front, actually these are the back arms. Take the two front arms, unfold them, take your back arms, unfold them. And you can tell which part of the drone is the front by the camera. The camera is the front. So, you got the little control for it right here. It's got a little insert for a little apparatus that you attach your smartphone to, so you can see what the drone sees through the smartphone with an app. You just hook it up. You set up the app, put the phone stand apparatus onto the controller. Attach it. You put the phone on it. You turn on the drone like this. There, and then you turn on the controller like this, and then you do this. Hold on. You do this. Fly this baby around. Keep the hover in place. Raise it up. Keep it going. Raise it up some more. Lower it down. Alright, you even turn this bad boy. Oop, shit, hold on. There's a way to turn it. Oop, nope, hold on. I know there's a way to turn this thing. Oh shit, oh shit. Sorry about that. Let me just bring this guy back up here. That's controlling drone for you. Yeah, you turn it like this. Oh. Yeah, a little technical difficulties of flying this baby. Let me just fly it a bit more. Okay. Get this guy going here. And let's bring her in for a nice landing. Careful. And let's go. We are clear. There, the drone is on the ground. And that's all cool. Alright, that's all for now with the drone. I might make a video of it flying around. From its point of view, actually I already do, so I might post that soon. Anyways, hold on. Oh yeah, anyways, bye Rumble, bye YouTube.